Coinbase has had a really good 12 to 16 months. Price bottomed out roughly at $34 back in December of 2022 and currently sits at $238 and is on the verge of closing above this weekly sellers level. And how was that zone formed? Well, if you look back in January of 2022, you had this drop in price, a basing candle, and the drop higher, and price attempted to come to the zone several times but couldn't, which told you that there were sellers waiting to push price lower. However, right now we're in a bull market, and the buyers are just simply overwhelming the sellers, as you can see in the Bitcoin charts. Don't know why folks are trying to short it, but that's the case. And I want to give you 4 more reasons to potentially buy Coinbase, because Coinbase could just be getting started as the bull market is just underway. So Coinbase has become the standard bearer for the crypto industry. In the US, it's outlasted rivals like FTX and watched as Binance was fined $4 billion and pushed out of the country. All right, number 1, Coinbase has slowly but surely built a reputation as a trusted party in the ecosystem for cryptos, operating by the letter of the law or challenging the law when it's unclear, as it is in the US. This means Coinbase will grow more slowly in the boom period, but it's less likely to go bust in the down periods. And that trade-off has well been worth it for investors. Number 2, during the past year, Coinbase has won back market share and currently has the number 2 position behind Binance. Revenue and exchange business jumped 64% in the fourth quarter of 2023 and looks like trading activity is picking up in 2024. Yes, thanks to the Bitcoin ETFs who utilize Coinbase as a custodial, but when they want to buy and sell through the ETF, they're going through Coinbase. Now, Coinbase's upside is not only in the consumer market. This has been a trusted partner for institutions, and I think that will continue to keep the company's growth going. Number 3, Coinbase was one of the creators of the USDC stablecoin, which was and has the 7th biggest market cap of all cryptocurrencies, and Coinbase makes millions from the interest earned on the assets back in USDC. In the fourth quarter of 2023, Coinbase reported $172 million in stablecoin revenue, mostly from USDC. The company also owns a stake in Circle, which runs USDC. As the use of stablecoins increases on the blockchain, Coinbase will be a winner. And they also have a L2 on Ethereum called Base. So, number 4, Coinbase has cut expenses to adjust to the lower revenue during the past few years and now providing operating leverage to the business. With revenue growth, steady operating costs, and potential upside from new products and use cases for the blockchain for the long term, there's a lot to like about Coinbase stock. And I would like to add a 5th one. Bitcoin is in the bull market right now. It hit all-time highs this past week, just a couple of days ago. But Bitcoin is just getting started. We could see potentially 100K before the halving, and we could see 150K sometime in 2025 or more, depending on how much Bitcoin BlackRock wants. All right, so kind of going back to the charts. This is the weekly chart. You get a close above 250. The only thing stopping price from getting to 300 is this pivot high at 360. So when I look at current price and I go up and to the left, I don't really see anything. Let's look at things at the 280 level on the daily chart. And we set 280, which would be right here. All right, so you do have some resistance support. So that's going to be your next target if you get a close above the upper portion of the zone, which would only be $30 higher. But really, you get past 280 and it's smooth sailing to 400. Now, you may ask, what's the all-time highs? 425. And we could see price make new all-time highs later this year or in 2025. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.